TheVitalFitTrack.com truly stands out as one of the most reliable and innovative destinations for anyone looking to take control of their health and fitness through smart technology. From the moment I discovered their website, I was impressed by its clean layout, detailed product information, and the brand's clear focus on improving people's wellness with precision tracking and advanced features. Ordering from the site was quick and hassle-free, and my Vital Fit Track arrived on time, beautifully packaged and ready to use. The moment I put it on, I could tell this was a high-quality fitness tracker made with care and thoughtful design. It feels incredibly lightweight and comfortable on the wrist, which makes it perfect for all-day wear, whether I'm at work, exercising, or sleeping. What impressed me most was the array of health metrics it tracks, from step count, calorie burn, and heart rate, to more advanced features like blood pressure, oxygen levels, and sleep quality. The accuracy of these readings has been exceptional, and the data synchronization with the app is fast and seamless. The Vital Fit Track app itself deserves just as much praise. It's clean, user-friendly, and full of insightful visual graphs and progress charts that make understanding my health metrics not only easy but also genuinely motivating. The app's detailed reports help me notice small improvements in my activity and sleep patterns, which has encouraged me to stay consistent with my wellness goals. I also love how it keeps me connected throughout the day by displaying message alerts, call notifications, and reminders, all without having to constantly check my phone. The battery life is outstanding as well, lasting several days on a single charge, which makes it ideal for people who are constantly on the go. What makes the VitalFitTrack.com even more special is their dedication to customer satisfaction. Their customer service team is prompt, polite, and genuinely cares about helping you get the most from your purchase. They provide easy-to-follow setup guides, quick troubleshooting help, and a responsive return policy, which made the entire experience smooth and reassuring. I also appreciate the company's commitment to affordability, considering the range of features and the build quality. The Vital Fit Track offers tremendous value compared to many expensive alternatives on the market. It's rare to find a product that blends technology, accuracy, style, and comfort so effortlessly, but this fitness tracker does it all. Overall, the VitalFitTrack.com has earned my complete trust and recommendation. It's more than just a gadget. It's a daily companion that helps me stay aware of my health, motivates me to move more, and provides valuable insights into how I can improve my lifestyle. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, someone starting their wellness journey, or just looking to monitor your vital stats with accuracy, the Vital Fit Track is a must-have. Every aspect of my experience, from shopping on the website to using the device daily, has been positive, professional, and rewarding. I can confidently say that the VitalFitTrack.com delivers on its promises and goes above and beyond to help people live healthier, more active lives.